Deep beneath the Indian Ocean, two giant tectonic plates have remained locked in silence for centuries. Here, pressure builds as one plate slowly grinds beneath another, an invisible tension centuries in the making.
At microscopic scales, the first whispers of motion begin. This locked boundary stores unimaginable power, enough to shake half the planet.
The ocean remains unaware, craned, silent, tranquil, concealing the immense force below.
Above, life continues as usual. Calm waters, calm hearts. Instruments begin to tremble, Earth's pulse reaching human sensors. At 07:58 a.m., the fault snaps.
The ocean floor rises suddenly, laterate, displacing billions of tons of water.
At the surface of Martin, nothing appears changed.
A low-frequency wave now races through the deep. From orbit, satellites record the faint bulge spreading across the ocean. Energy travels silently through layers of water, guided by density and temperature. As depth decreases, speed increases, unseen, unstoppable. On the coast, the morning seems ordinary.
Massive sections collapse, amplifying the force traveling outward.
No storm, no warning, nervous. The ocean hides its secret.
Seismic ripples travel through the planet, a global vibration.
The Indian Ocean stirs, energy now in motion.
The greatest natural experiment in modern history has just begun.
The ocean itself becomes the messenger, energy traveling invisibly beneath the waves.
A tsunami is not a surface wave, but a movement of the entire water column. Even a massive tsunami may barely disturb the surface while crossing deep water. From orbit, satellites detect subtle changes in sea surface height, mere inches, revealing immense power. The wave expands in all directions, toward Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, Africa.
Beneath the surface, molecules move in perfect rhythm, an ocean breathing with energy. Ocean floor shape determines where the energy goes, amplifying in shallow regions.
In deep water, speed exceeds 800 kilometers per hour, yet barely noticed by ships.
For vessels at sea, the tsunami passes unnoticed, a silent traveler beneath the hull.
Energy races outward, covering thousands of miles in hours. Energy also moves east toward Thailand and Indonesia's coasts.
Each frequency travels differently, separating the tsunami into distinct bands.
Data from ocean sensors begins to reach scientific centers across the globe. Scientists watch waveforms unlike any recorded before. But no coordinated warning system yet connects the Indian Ocean nations.
The wave moves unhindered across open water to Steli, crossing the Indian Ocean in hours.
Post-event models reveal how perfectly physics shaped the ocean's motion.
Few events have ever moved this much water. True, This far, this fast.
As the depth shallows, kinetic energy converts into height.
The world has just witnessed the ocean's greatest release of energy, and its most devastating lesson.
Within hours, the ocean's energy touched 14 nations, took out, each unaware of what had begun. Scientists across the Pacific receive early signals, but no established protocol for the Indian Ocean.
At first, data appears inconsistent, sensors not calibrated for such a massive rupture.
Only hours later, the true scale becomes clear. A rupture nearly 1,000 miles long.
But in 2004, no warning network connected the Indian Ocean nations.
Information spreads slowly. Confusion mixes with disbelief.
By day's end, the entire world was watching.
In the aftermath, scientists united to create what had never existed before.
A new system of sensors, the Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning Network, begins to take shape.
Each buoy detects pressure changes, sending instant data via satellite. Signals relay instantly through satellites swabbing. The ocean now speaks to the sky.
For the first time, real-time data can trigger regional alerts.
Education becomes as vital as technology. Understanding saves lives.
Today, hundreds of sensors watch the oceans in constant vigilance.
Every data point, every new sensor, a lesson written by the ocean itself. From tragedy emerged a rare unity in Korea, science without borders. Simulations now allow us to see what once was invisible. From the depths of loss rose a network of awareness, technology, and hope. Humanity now listens to the heartbeat of the planet. In real time. From silence to science, the 2004 tsunami transformed the way we see our world.
The ocean that once delivered destruction now reflects calm pride and knowledge hard-won. Nature heals Takma, recording memory in every layer of sand.
Science now simulates in minutes what once took months, predicting the next pulse of the planet. Machine learning now models energy flow in real time.
Above the clouds, silent guardians watch the sea ilm. Every second, every tide.
Every coastline now connected, every tremor instantly known.
This is how the grid works in real time.
The lessons once paid for in tragedy now pass to the next generation. Every dataset carries a memory passage, a reminder of what science must protect. Human understanding and nature reprieve, no longer separate, but connected.
From the quiet depths came one of science's loudest lessons.
Thousands of minds, countless hours, all united by the memory of that morning. Now, when the ocean moves, the world responds. Right yet, instantly.
Preparedness turns tragedy into prevention.
A network that never sleeps. Earth's oceans under constant watch. Earth breathes, shifts, and reminds us it's alive.
Every graph, every record wake, a reminder of what we learned that day. From silence to understanding, humanity learned to listen.
This is scientific AI simulation, created to educate.
The 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami didn't just change coastlines, Bay. It changed science forever.
Produced by Storm SP, AI Cinematic Simulation Series.